Did you know that using premium fuel in most cars can actually make them run worse? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the car myths that people still fall for every day. From wasting money on useless upgrades to bad habits that could ruin your car. We're diving into 6 car myths that are not only wrong, but downright stupid to believe. Stick around, because knowing the truth might save you a fortune and keep your car running like a dream. Let's bust these myths. Myth number 1. Key fob signal range increases near your head. The fluids in your head act as a conductor and amplifier for the key fob signal, allowing it to travel farther. This is due to the electromagnetic properties of the signal, which can be enhanced by the conductive materials in your body. While it may look odd, holding the key fob near your head can help you unlock your car from greater distances, especially in a crowded parking lot. Alternatively, a water bottle can achieve the same effect, since water has similar conductive properties. Myth number 2. Premium gasoline improves all cars' performance. The belief that premium gasoline improves performance in all cars are a widespread misconception. Premium fuel has a higher octane rating, which means it is more resistant to premature ignition under high pressure. This characteristic is essential for high-performance engines specifically designed for it, as they operate at higher compression ratios and require fuel that can handle the increased pressure. Using premium fuel in a car designed for regular gasoline will not improve performance, fuel efficiency, or engine longevity. It could potentially cause the car to run less efficiently, since the engine isn't calibrated to take advantage of the higher octane levels. Myth number 3. You can go 10,000 to 12,000 miles without an oil change. Modern engines are built with tighter tolerances and often use low-tension piston rings to improve fuel efficiency. These components are more susceptible to damage if the oil becomes dirty or degraded. Over time, contaminants like carbon deposits, moisture, and combustion byproducts accumulate in the oil. If not changed frequently, this sludge can cause piston rings to stick, leading to poor sealing, increased oil consumption, and even engine failure. For typical stop-and-go driving, where the engine faces more wear and tear, it's advisable to change the oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or once a year. For highway driving, where the engine runs more efficiently, intervals can be extended up to 10,000 miles with high-quality synthetic oil. Myth number 4. All motor oils are the same. The assumption that all motor oils are the same is a misconception that can lead to poor engine performance and long-term damage. Motor oils vary significantly in their formulation, viscosity, and intended use, and choosing the right oil for your vehicle is critical to its health and efficiency. The primary distinction is between synthetic oils and conventional oils. Synthetic oils are chemically engineered to provide superior performance under extreme conditions, including high temperatures and cold starts. They resist breakdown, flow better at low temperatures, and maintain viscosity at high temperatures. Motor oils, while less expensive, lack these properties and break down more quickly, especially under heavy use or in harsh conditions. Motor oils come with different viscosity ratings, e.g. 5W30 or 10W40, which indicate how the oil flows at different temperatures. Using the wrong viscosity can lead to poor lubrication, reduced fuel efficiency, and even engine damage. Myth number 5. Rolling down windows saves gas compared to using AC. The idea that rolling down your windows saves more gas than using the air conditioning is rooted in older automotive design, but is no longer accurate for most modern vehicles. Decades ago, inefficient air conditioning compressors required significant engine power to operate, which noticeably reduced fuel economy. Have made AC systems far more energy efficient, and their impact on gas mileage is now minimal. Driving with your windows rolled down, especially at highway speeds, increases aerodynamic drag. This drag forces the engine to work harder to maintain speed, negating any fuel savings from not using the AC. Studies and experiments have shown that the difference in gas mileage between using AC and rolling down windows is negligible in most modern vehicles. At city speed, rolling down windows may have a slight edge since wind resistance is less of a factor. The increased turbulence from open windows often leads to worse fuel efficiency, compared to running AC. Myth number 6. Idling saves fuel compared to turning the engine off. The belief that idling your car saves fuel compared to turning the engine off is a misconception that wastes fuel and increases emissions. Modern engines are far more efficient than older models. Idling consumes fuel unnecessarily while the engine runs without moving the vehicle. On average, an idling engine can burn 0.5 to 1 gallon of fuel per hour. Restarting the engine uses only a small amount of fuel, equivalent to just a few seconds of idling. This makes turning off the engine the more fuel-efficient option if you anticipate being stopped for more than 30 seconds. Modern vehicles are equipped with efficient starter advanced ignition designed for frequent starts, meaning that turning the engine off and back on doesn't cause excessive wear as it might have in older models. Many vehicles now have start-stop technology, which automatically shuts off the car's station and restarts when the accelerator is pressed.